We're going on a hike. What's the hike called?
I don't know.
Burley Heads, I think. Burley Heads point, hiking point.
Yeah.
Lookout. Something. But let's get out of this house. It's a hot day. We just came back from Byron Bay. What do you think of Byron Bay?
I love it.
I like that. No, it was mad. It was actually a mad time.
I live there, but I love it.
I wish you spent maybe like another day.
Like
Just
to
to explore. This is our ride, by the way. Sexy.
Oh, did you unlock it?
No, you have the key. Because you open the door because you have the key.
Okay.
He opens it by himself. It's a smart car.
Oh.
And we're pretty stupid, so... I'm sorry. The car smells, eh?
Yeah.
Like
Ass?
wet dog or something. So what we're going to do first, because the car's pretty low, 29%, we're going to go fill up some juice. That takes a while, so we're going to chill, do some admin work by the time. And then yeah, go for a drive. Burley Head's really nice, so I might eat at the Pav also. But we'll see, we'll have a gaze.
I wouldn't mind fish tacos again.
Yeah.
Oh,
but it's gonna be busy as.
Yeah,
we're gonna get Mexican after, hopefully, potentially. So we'll see how we go. Yeah. Take over.
So yeah, hi guys. Oh,
no,
new year, new me. So guys,
same old bullshit.
The person you guys knew before is dead.
I'm the new Philip.
I'm the new one. Come and get me.
Let's go fill up some petrol.
Oh, do you want me to get it from my
check on the maps.
On that app. So they give us an app where you can to find where the charging ports are. So let's have a look.
Guess the one we went to before.
What was it called again? Aquatic Center. Maybe hold it? I can't do two things at once. We're rolling.
We're good to go. It's actually a hot day today here.
Have you noticed it? Even when it's like in the late 20s, it feels like it's friggin' hot as.
I really like this car, hey. It's just so smooth and gentle around the lips. No, it's actually a nice drive.
No, it is.
But the skies are nice and clear today. So we're gonna go charge our car first. And then we'll make our way to it. I'm pretty hungry already though, hey.
I'm not hungry yet.
It's 1 o'clock, is it? Fuck.
Yeah, but we ate at like 11 o'clock.
Yeah, but I eat every half an hour.
Yeah, true.
Is he going? What do you call it? It was our last full day here in Queensland.
Yeah.
And we're back to reality, bro. Until Europe, we go Europe.
Europe 2025, yo.
I reckon this year, I was saying to y'all, or her. I think this year's a bit big. I just feel it.
We get married.
I just feel in the air, yeah. We have shit starting this year. Hopefully, like new business opportunities.
We have a lot of
sponsors
this year.
Shut up.
Sponsorships.
So we'll see what's down the tunnel. But I feel like good things are happening.
Down the tunnel?
Fingers crossed. It'll be a smooth, good year. And I think this will be the biggest year. I don't know why, I just have a feeling, man.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
What do y'all think?
What do y'all think? Leave us a comment with what you guys think.
Oh, I want to go on that slingshot, man. Even though I'm scared of heights, I really want to go do it. That's at Kelly Beach. Would you go on that?
Yeah, I would.
Take the GoPro on there?
Yeah, I would.
I'll vomit all on the GoPro. That'd be cool.
Yeah,
Look at the rubbish there. All the alcohol from yesterday on the floor.
Crazy.
How do people do that, eh?
No, well, they're putting it out for rubbish.
It's on the road, bro. What do you mean? It's on the footpath. We made it. We finally made it to the charging place. Well, we're here. We're waiting for this guy who's charging his Prius.
No, it's Tesla.
Oh yeah, it's Tesla. Same shit. Alright.
You can't go in more that way in the shade more?
More?
Yeah, like my knee's too exposed.
That's the furthest I can go, G. Sit in the back seat.
Yeah, I might actually.
Come, watch me do it. I didn't figure this out before, but you gotta take this off too. This machine
Oh, wait, do I have to do it on the app, remember?
Yeah, let me see put it in. Is that the reach?
Yeah.
Alright. Get activated on your phone. Man, the car's dirty as. I don't know if you're supposed to clean it when you return the car. I don't think so. So this is a machine here. You gotta activate it through your phone. Man, we were here before, right? A couple of days ago. We're charging the car for the first time. And we were here for like at least like half an hour trying to charge it and trying to figure it out. And some lady eventually came and drove and came and helped us. Because we did not know what the hell we were doing. And the car rental place did not explain anything on how to charge us. Maybe they did, but I wasn't listening. But I don't remember her showing me what to do. But now it's charging. It's on 27%. We'll get to 100 or what? How long? Fuck. You wanna go sit in the park in the shade? No, it's nice and cool. Who's the kid now? Oh wow. How do you play this?
You go inside of it.
Do I stand in it?
Yeah.
Stand in this?
You put your leg on the yellow low bar on the other end.
Like that?
Yeah, and you put your hands on the top bar.
Ah, yeah.
I think the other way around.
Fuck that. Bro, I'm gonna die. Who designed that game? You're gonna. Whoa, bro.
Watch out.
Do you reckon the slide is hot?
Yes. Oh, it has to.
Look at me go. That's so uncomfortable, man. The hell? I got a nappy rash.
Am I going high?
Yeah, can I push you?
Did you catch me? Wait, don't push me. I'm gonna end up in the front.
Fucking monkey. You're about to fall, eh?
How do I stop? I'm not hoping anymore. Stop!
You wanna stop?
How do I?
Just let, we'll slow down by itself. Hey! Don't ruin the shoes. Whoa! Almost got hit.
Your ass as well.
Yeah. That was tiring. What the hell? We're still waiting for the car to charge, bro. We're never gonna leave.
Babe, this is how you do it.
Nah, man. Oh, okay.
So usually you're meant to be smaller.
Hey, there's a skate park there.
I don't know the alarm you. I need help to get up.
Are you stuck? Anyways, just get out.
I can't. I need you to lift me from the top.
What the fuck do you think this is?
Or just like let me roll it back on you.
Grab
Come
this-
here. No, come from here.
From where?
Lift me up from the back. No.
Alright. Did you learn any lesson?
Never trust you.
Never trust the monkey.
Fuck, this hurt here.
Well, why'd you go on it if it's too small?
You wanted to have a look at how to play it.
You don't even know how to play it.
I did. I played it.
What's the percent on the car?
Oh, let's see.
Because I'm getting really frustrated. Sexually frustrated.
47%.
What?
Yeah. We were here for 19 minutes already.
Oh wow.
Wow.
We did it. We couldn't wait any longer, to be honest with you. We've got 96%.
Could have waited another
We're gonna wait 4 more percent.
2 more minutes.
It took a while, man. An hour and 10 minutes. But that was cheap.
Yeah.
16 bucks.
Pretty much
Almost
a full
tank.
battery.
4% off.
Wait, a full battery.
Full tank. Bro, what the fuck?
Woo! Are they chickens? Oh no.
Where?
No, never mind.
On his car.
No, no. Never mind.
So now we're gonna go for the hike, even though I almost fell asleep.
I don't think it's a hike, babe.
Lookout. Everything's a hike for me.
Oh, no.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Why not?
Boy.
Why is he going so slow then? Monkey?
We're so tired all of a sudden.
Let's drain the battery.
Put on power saver mode.
It is on power saver.
Good boy.
So he gets 470. Whoa. 470 kilometers on the full battery.
Not bad.
Of course, there's traffic. Wow. Can't see. Alright, Ella. We'll see you there. We made it.
Not yet.
It's windy as. Up here. You gotta get that way.
Wouldn't it be up?
But how long is this thing?
I think it's just like a little trail.
Nah, we gotta go up high. The lookout's high. I wish we did something like this in Byron Bay. Like that's what I wanted to do. My whole life if we went to go there. I wouldn't even do any of that. Hey.
Go back and we'll do like another, maybe like a weekend, like a long weekend. But you actually don't need like a full week there.
Yeah.
Especially if you have a good week, good weather for those 3 days.
It was actually good weather. It didn't rain there.
Yeah.
It was nice.
Hot as well.
I don't know if I love it, but my foot is bleeding. Yeah, it's bleeding from yesterday.
It hasn't stopped.
Nah, well it stopped, but it came back out. So everyone goes on this hike, right? It's a mad lookout so far. It's a sunny day. It's a nice one. Oh, the rocks.
Well, I'm wearing my
Wow. Good. And we didn't bring any water. Oh, we always go on a walk or a hike with no water all the time. Yeah, you could have melted by now. Wow, this is sick.
Do you want me to do you walking?
Thank you so much. This is me.
Wow. It's so dark.
Wow.
Wow, this is actually quite beautiful. Wow, wow. Oops, wrong account. That's for his OnlyFans.
Wow, can I buy this?
No. You don't want to break anything. Baby, you don't want to break anything.
It's just a fucking tree. How am I gonna
Yeah, look at...
Look how strong it looks.
Babe, look at how big you are. Stop it. I don't need to alarm you, but I'm very thirsty.
We can swim there.
This is heaven.
Are you seeing the lookout?
This is river water. Not beach. Oh, it's like connected half at river, half beach.
Huh?
What's that smell?
Is this on the beach?
Plot twist, guys. This wasn't a lookout. This was just a trail to go to another beach. So we're gonna head
I'm so disappointed.
back.
I'm gonna walk with my head down.
The whole day. Now we're gonna walk back now and go to the beach. I'll figure out a plan, really.
I'm so happy. I'm gonna tears in my eye. Have you ever seen those videos when they get someone to walk in front of them and they record people's reaction, like looking at them, like staring at them?
Oh yeah, like the one that was like, oh, like when you're the hottest couple traveling or something.
I know what they're looking.
Yeah.
Can I do that to you? Yeah. I've seen people look. Polly, none. Wait, nobody cares about you. You failed again and again and again.
Wait, let's do this.
Wait, but this time you will win. Have you seen that one? That's a good one.
Yeah.
It's been 0.
Oh, imagine I'm pulling like an ugly face when it look at me.
Alright, so we figured out the right trail. We wasted all those steps for nothing. For nothing. There's no oxygen here. I'm like struggling to breathe, bro.
No water.
We came here with no water. We always do this shit, I swear. It's like we hate ourselves. Look, there's a dog here.
Is it? Oh, Pepito.
Tito. It's like it's getting dark, hey? You better hurry up, man. Do you reckon there's a fish and chip shop at the top?
No.
Huh?
No.
Oh, man. Looks crazy here. This is one of the seats you can sit. Is this a lookout?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. It's nice though. We made it. Man, I feel like, bro, my back is drenched. What the hell? I didn't know it was that sweaty.
We just walked half an hour in the wrong direction, so...
True. I thought you can go through there, but you can't. It's done for. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like, I don't know what I've been told.
I don't know what I've been told.
I don't know what the rest of it is, to be honest with you. What is the rest of it? Ah, bro, almost fucking broke my foot. It's I don't know what I've been told. My toes smell. And your mum's a hot. No, something. We gotta research it before we just say it again. Don't say things that don't make sense.
No, I think it's...
I don't know what I've been told.
Batman's got a hairy toe. What do you think?
Okay. Okay, go. Go!
What?
Run!
Oh, I don't
Know what I've been told, Batman has a hairy toe, your mom is a hole, everybody say Santa Claus. Can we take a break? Let's go eat some yummy food. I'm the captain now.
I thought it was lasagna.
Lasagna? Yuck. Are you stupid or what?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Adventures.
Our adventure has been completed. Say yellow bye.
Yellow bye.